What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing this boost gauge. Got off Amazon, cheap, like 25 bucks. I had it in my blue s40, and then I ripped it out the other day just because I want to put it in my red one. I might have to add some sticky tape on the bottom because, yeah. But let's go ahead and install this. I'm going to bring the car in and then we'll get going. So what you want to do is disconnect the battery and pull this cover off here. Now we got to do is cut right here, and then we got to make an insert through there. Then we're gonna have to take out the glove box and some of the console stuff. But yeah, so let's do that first. So you're gonna want something like that, and then we got our extra vacuum hose over there, and then we're gonna run that through there. So what we gotta do now is find a knife or something, poke a hole through there. Actually, you know what? We're going to take out the glove box first and everything, and then we're going to poke the hole through there, and then, yeah, we'll route it out that way. All right, guys, so it's a whole different day. I didn't have the right Torx bits to get those screws out in the dash, put in the boost gauge. So today is the day that we're doing that. Get all of this out of here first. Get out of here. All right. So first we want to take out those screws there. One there, and then there's another one there. Oh, yeah. So take those out, and then we'll go to the next step. So after you get those screws out, pop this little thing off. All you gotta do is just put your fingers in there and pull. And then what we want to do now is you really want to try to get in there and bring that down. So after you get those three out, you got two right there. I don't know if you guys can see them. Two there. And I never did this job in a while. Like the last one I did it on was my blue Volvo, and that was probably over a year and a half ago. So I'm kind of just going off of what I remember. I'm not searching anything up or anything like that. But I just know I know I need to take the glove box apart and that and the console over there. So it might not be the exact way somebody else would do it, but this is just how I'm doing it. So once you got all that loose, there's two more right there, and then this whole thing should pop right out. So let's get those loose and see what's up. Right, so first portion is out. Now it's these two, and yeah, there's a lot of screws in here, but it's whatever. So once we get this part out, then we could start figuring out where we want to run the vacuum line through the dash. Probably do it the same way I did my other one, but who knows? It might be different under here just because it's a different year, but we'll see. So now what we want to do is we're going to have to pull that circular thing here out, because that's where we're going to be putting the boost gauge through. Not the boost gauge, the vacuum line through. Then we're going to run it through there somewhere. Maybe I might even run it under here, and then right under the dash there, and then up through the pillar, and then on the side. So let's cut a hole. Let's get this out and cut a hole in there. All we gotta do is just peel it back a little bit, just like so. And then what we're gonna end up doing is poking a hole through, and then we're gonna feed the vacuum line through there, over there. So let's get that going. Under the hood, just gotta pop these two out. C30, I believe, which I do have one right here. Oh, wait, no, yeah. So let's get that out quick. So, got my T right there. Got my hole made. I'm just making it a little bit wider since I got this 5mm vacuum line hose. So, but then you just feed it through there, and then I'll show you the rest of the interior. All right, so we got that started. I don't know, yeah, you can see that now. So we're gonna run it all through here and then through there, and then we'll have to take that off and then run it up, and then we'll be good. It's not too bad of an install, really. Just gotta have patience, I guess. But you just pull. And then we're gonna pull till that's tight. And then we're gonna cut off any extra. And probably use that on the Genesis or something. Alright, it's getting caught up. Almost there though. Yeah, it's probably almost good enough. Just a couple more pulls and then we'll be good. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I'm all routed up. So once you get it all routed up, vacuum line's all routed up now. And then I cut the hose, put that little connector there. I'm not really sure what that is, but I know you need it. And then you pop this out. And then I'm gonna have to figure out which wires I gotta tap into. I'm just gonna look at my other car because I already had this boost gauge in it. But yeah, so let's do that. And then we can start buttoning all this stuff up after. And then we'll be good. So the two wires you need to tap into is this black wire, the first one on that connector, and then that orange and blue one. I'll zoom in a little bit for you. So I tapped into that one. I didn't solder it or anything. I'm not going through all that, but just wrapped it around, and then I'm going to do the same for the other one. But I need electrical tape, which I don't have, so I'm going to have to go pick some up real quick, and then we'll finish that up. Alright, so I went and got some black electrical tape. Got that all there. And then it's not, like, I couldn't really wrap the one wire, so I'm going to wrap them two together. But not, like, really together. I'm going to wrap them each separately and then wrap it together just so it stays better. But, I mean, those two are connected and everything. All that's connected, so I'm going to put the battery on real quick and see if she lights up. Make sure we got some power. Let's see what we got. That's good, we got power. That would fucking chill out. Boom. We're good, guys. So we got power and everything like that. Everything seems to be good. So now it's just putting everything back together. And then boom, we're done. So let's get that all put back together. And then maybe we'll take it for a little drive. Just see how it works and operates. Like I said, I did have it on my other Volvo, but let's just see the difference because this one runs way better than the other one. So yeah, let's try her out. All right, guys, so everything's all connected, battery and everything. I did notice, and it's kind of, I probably should have put more of a slack in this line because it's pretty tight. I know that glove box pushing on it and everything. I should have left more room for the vacuum hose to kind of work itself in, I guess, with the rest of it. But I'm sure it'll be all right. I mean, worst comes worst, just add a little connector, put more hose on it, end of the day. But yeah, so let's take it for a little drive, see how it's working, and then we'll call it there. All right. Gauge on. Cool. All right, let's take it for a little rip up the road, and then we'll call it there. Because this thing ain't got no gas in it. need alignment so bad. Whew. I think it's only reading like 5 or 7 psi or something like that. I think that's around stock levels though, so it should be fine. Got to get that belt fixed, squeaking. I think it's the AC belt, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't think it's a timing belt though, but we'll have to do some further digging on that. But yeah, it's not bad, guys. Yeah, just look at that alignment though. She's off a little bit, but oh well. Ain't too bad, guys. Hopefully all you guys can do that install. It's not hard really at all. But I'm gonna call it here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I got this boost gauge from Amazon for like 20 bucks. So if you guys want to go pick one up, changes colors, which I like, so I can match the green dash lights and everything. But other than that, that's it, boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.